Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a hidden Android setting that many people have never heard of. It's hidden inside developer options, and while it was originally designed for app testing, some users like to experiment with it to reduce the number of apps running in the background. If your phone seems to lose a lot of battery overnight, this setting might be worth testing. Just keep in mind that it can affect multitasking and how some apps behave in the background. So let's take a look. First, open your phone's settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Next, open Software Information. Now find Build Number and tap it several times. If prompted, enter your phone's PIN or password. You'll then see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Now go back to the main settings screen. Tap the search bar and type Background Process Limit. Open the result under Developer Options. Here you'll find a setting called Background Process Limit. By default, it's set to Standard Limit, which allows Android to manage background apps automatically. You will also see several other options, including at most 4 processes, at most 3 processes, at most 2 processes, and no background processes. Reducing the number of background processes can decrease memory usage and, in some situations, may help reduce background activity. However, there's an important trade-off. Because fewer apps are allowed to stay active in memory, some apps may reload more often when you switch back to them. You may also notice delayed notifications or background tasks for certain apps, especially messaging, email, or social media apps. For most people, I recommend trying at most 4 processes first rather than choosing more aggressive options. Use your phone normally for a day or two and see how it performs. If you notice better battery life and everything you use still works as expected, you can keep the setting enabled. If you experience delayed notifications, apps restarting frequently, or any other issues, simply return to this menu and switch it back to standard limit. Every Android phone is different. Your results will depend on your phone model, Android version, the apps you have installed, and how you use your device. That's why I recommend treating this as an experiment rather than expecting the same results on every phone. And that's it. It's a simple setting that's worth testing if you're looking for ways to reduce background activity and potentially improve battery life. If you decide to try it, let me know in the comments which option you chose and whether you noticed any difference in your battery performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.